Hazel London was inside the club when she heard gunshots.
It's upsetting me and my homegirl because we feel like, well, damn, if you can't go to bed on no chase, what the hell could you go?
What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B. Jr. Back again with another video. Hey, y'all. So today I am going to be doing my mannequin's face. I am going to start selling wigs again in the upcoming weeks/months once I get everything in line. So I wanted to have my model look bomb AF. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're going to do today. So if you'd like to see that, if that seems like something that you might be interested in, watch the video, y'all. This is merchandise that I sell. It says wigs are a girl's best friend with my logo, Lux Hair Teak. If you would like to purchase one of these shirts, let me know. I don't have any more of the tanks available, but I do have white t-shirts available. They are $25 plus shipping. If you're interested, holla at your guala. All right, let's get started. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm just stamping this on. So we don't want to do swiping motion since this is a mannequin. It's not real skin. So what you're trying to do is like not make a mess. So you just do like short strokes, stamping motions, kind of just depositing that color on there. And then in a second, you'll see I'm just going to start doing like hair-like strokes. Y'all, first of all, please ignore this random backdrop that is not completely covering the wall. Like it was supposed to, but it didn't work right. I couldn't bring the camera as close as I wanted to, so just act like it's not even happening, okay? All right, whatever. So now I'm taking some concealer, and this is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And just like you do your regular makeup look, you're just gonna go right underneath those brows to clean it up, and then we'll go right over top to clean it up as well. So again, it's a mannequin and you don't want to really do swiping motions because it could disturb what you've already placed. So we're just stamping that on there, short strokes, like light stamping, you know what I'm saying? And you don't want to pick up as much product as you would on your face because this can't like blend into your skin because it's a mannequin. I can't even think of the type of material this stuff is made out of, but regardless, stamp, not swipe. And don't use a lot of products. Now we're going in with the Box of Crayon palette by Super Scent. And I'm taking like a dark brown color and I'm just, again, stamping that product on. I'm taking it all over her lid, into her eyebrows. She doesn't have much lid space, so we do what we can when we can do it. And right here, I've taken an orange color and I'm taking that orange color right on the arch of her brow as a highlight, and also blending that into that dark brown color that we added, and that will act as our highlight / transition color because she don't have that much lid space. As you can see, I'm taking a more concentrated fluffy brush, and I'm taking a black color to further deepen her crease. Stamping motions again. I'm gonna get annoying at this point by saying stamping motions. Now we're cutting her crease. So I have done a cut crease video. I'll link it down in the description box if you want a full tutorial on how to do a cut crease on a freaking human. That video was fun. It was a beginner's guide to cut creases. So yeah, we're cutting her crease just like you would normally do and not using as much product. Remember. Doing this, well, looking back, there are a lot of mistakes that I made. But it was my first time, so I am learning to give myself grace, you know? So right now, I'm adding a gold pigment, and this is Glam Galore pigment. I don't have a name for it. Like this video if you're okay with me sacrificing my carpet for y'all. Just kidding. Do like though. Let's keep going. So now I'm going in with a foundation shade. This is Born This Way Too Faced Foundation in Chai. And I went in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Then I went in with a lighter color on top. I am contouring, well, I'll be contouring with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in Espresso. And I just added some dots, as you can see, and just blended that in. And I had to build on it to get the full color that I wanted. But as you can see, she's starting to look good. She's chiseled. So I'm using a sponge to dab in that highlighter. I used Glam Galore Club's liquid lipstick in Rich Girl on her lips, and I did that with a brush. I'm going to add liner and lashes, and we'll be done. I transformed Suzie Jr. into a glam bot, and she is ready to slay. Now, this is my first time doing a mannequin. It is slightly different from doing a normal human. Luckily, there were no animals or humans harmed in this process, just my freaking carpet. Got gold glitter all over it because I spilled it. Thumbs up if you like this. This was my first time, so it's not perfect. I'm noticing some things that I could have done differently. I'm going to set her with some Got To Be Free spray, and hopefully the makeup stays and doesn't transfer to my wigs, but I'll keep y'all posted. In the meantime, in between time, please follow my social media platforms. Brushwork by Suzie Bougie on Instagram for the makeup, Luxe Hair Teak by Suzie Bougie for the hair, wigs, and I'll have links in my description box. Make sure you check that out. So I'll be back for another video soon. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and ignore this thing right here. Like, I couldn't bring the camera as close as I wanted to, and so it defeated the purpose. So forget y'all and talk about me behind my back. Like, I don't care. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because if you don't hit the bell notification, you won't be notified when I upload. And if you're not notified when I upload, then you won't know that I uploaded unless you go search for my name, and that's a lot. Brushwork by Suzie Bougie, that's a lot. I'm trying to help you. Let me help you. Be my friend. Okay, thanks. Bye.